Now your show animation function is set up, but if you look closely at your check user input function, okay, what happened here? You'll notice that it's not very dry. Mm, I see. You're calling parse int function to convert number input that value into a number several times. Simple way to fix this is to create a new variable to store the converted number. Then you only have to convert the number once and can use it throughout the function. Okay, says here to also create a new variable called input int and assign it to the number converted number input that value. Okay, we write down the const and then declare the variable called input int. We assign it the number converted from number input that value. Oops, we forgot to wrap it inside with a parse int function.